Okay, everything is set up, great, amazing. Hello everyone, it's me, Sophie, and today I'll let you know all about Hyperdia and why you should use this cute little website while you're on a road trip through Japan or you're just visiting a friend, but you need to use the train. That can be sometimes a little bit difficult, but don't worry. Hyperdia is keeping you safe, and I let you know how you actually can use it, where to find it, and all the little cute little tips and tricks. But for that, we need to go right over there to my laptop because I can't show it to you. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open your online search tool. Mine is a coder, pretty good, planting trees and such things. Type in Hyperdia and you'll find some links in the search bar. Just click on the first link and you're right there. You'll see a lot of AdWords, but what's important is the pop-up shown to the left side. Right there you can type in the train station you enter and the one you have to go to. You can check the dates and the time, and even decide whether it should be the time of departure or arrival, which is super convenient. In my sample, I want to go from Yokohama to Shibuya. Just type in the first 5 letters and the train station should show up in the list, which is really handy. Click on search and wait until the next site opens. Scroll down and you'll find a lot of different times and possibilities of trains that you can use. So the really nice thing about Hyperdia is actually that you can see how much it'll cost you for one trip or how much the different trains cost, because sometimes you have to switch the platforms. And what I also really like about Hyperdia is that it is so easy to understand, because you can even click on the train timetable, or with that you can figure out, okay, how many stations are in between, so in case you would like to pick up a friend. And I wasn't on focus, but that's totally fine. You just can hop off the train and then you just say hi to your friend. I'm at this or that station right now, please come over here. And then you meet, and then you just check, okay, when is the next train coming? Maybe the platform changed, maybe it's even a better train that you can take because it's faster but still the same price. Or sometimes the distance seems like very far away, but it's actually not. You sometimes even don't need to take the train. For example, from Shibuya to Harajuku is not so far away. The same from Shibuya to Yoyogi Park, I did that last week. It's not so far away to walk. And you save time and you save money and you train your beautiful body that you got from your parents. So you always should figure out, is it worth to use the train or is it not worth it? But with Hyperdia, you're always on a very safe side of how to get where and when. A cup of tea is always amazing. I really do hope that you enjoyed this cute little video about Hyperdia. Now you're fully prepared when you come over to Japan, or maybe you're already in Japan but you didn't know about that website. You're welcome, don't worry about it anymore. And without further ado, in case you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel because it really makes a difference. I really would like to grow as a family, as a union, as a group, as whatever it is that we will be. And yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we're gonna see us in another episode next time of how does it work living in Japan. And yeah, big hugs to you, love you, matane, see you later, bye bye.